Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. Okay, in previous session we discussed about WH words, right? How to use WH words and what is the importance of WH words, and with few examples I explained, right? Parts of speech also, prepositions and subject verb object. Now I will let you know, because subject verb object is very important topic in communication. Why? Because how to make a sentence without tenses. ఓకే, టెన్సెస్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా మన సెంటెన్స్ ఎలా ఫ్రేమ్ చేయాలి, ఎలా ఫామ్ చేయాలి అనేది సబ్జెక్ట్ వర్బ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో ఈజీగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ వర్బ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో 3 రూల్స్ ఉంటాయి. We have 3 rules in subject verb object how to make a sentence without tenses. Okay, first I will let you know one by one with good example. Just follow this. Okay, 3 rules totally, right? First one, subject plus is, am, are plus adjective. Very important. Subject plus is, am, are plus adjective. Subject means naming, name of a person, right? We can use. If you take Ambani, is rich, right? This is for singulars. We have to use is. Singulars means he, she, it. These are singular. So is. Am always I, right? I am rich. We can use I am rich. You, we, they are. You are rich. We can use this type of words, right? Now here subject plus is, am, are plus adjective. We know about adjective qualities. Rich, I am smart, you are smart, he is smart. We can use this one. This is the first type of rule. Second one, subject plus have or has plus noun. Noun. Here example, I have a car. Car. Subject plus same, singular we have to use has. He, she, it has a car. I, we, you, they plurals, we have a car. Same meaning, both are same. Okay, have and has rendu same meaning ఏ. But I, we, you, they కి బహువచనం కాబట్టి have యూజ్ చేస్తాం. He, she, it singulars, so we have to use has. He, she, it, one person male, one person female, one non-living thing, so has. I, we, you, they plurals, so have. I have a car, we have a car, you have a car, they have a car. Or I have cars, they have cars, right? You have cars, we have cars. But he, she, it has car, right? These are the things we have to use. Third rule, subject plus do or does plus action verb. This is also very important rule. I do work here. Is, I work here. He does work here. Is, he works here. Let me explain you clearly. Now I do work here, I work here, both are same meaning. I do work here, I work here. He does work here changes to he works here. That means in positive sentence no need to use do and does. Understand my point? Just listen to me once. Subject plus do or does plus action verb. So I do work here, I, we, you, they do work here equal to I work here. In positive sentence do అన్నది మనం యూజ్ చేసినా చేయకపోయినా పర్లేదు, రైట్? డూ అన్నది ఇప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయకపోతే I work here is perfect one. He, she, it does work here equal to he works here. Here one point is there, if subject is singular, right, verb is plural. Subject is plural, verb is singular. Let me explain you here. Subject is subject, ఐ వి యు దే ఇవి ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది సింగులర్, వర్బ్ ప్లూరల్, దట్ మీన్స్ సారీ సబ్జెక్ట్ సింగులర్, సింగులర్ అంటే హీ షీ ఇట్, he she it are singulars. So verb works, eats, takes, like this it comes. If subject is singular, verb is plural, right? That means plural ante next s add avutundi ante, plural. He works here, he eats food, he takes food, he talks to me. These are subject is singular, verb is plural. If subject is plural, verb is singular, verb is singular. Subject I, we, you ఇలా ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, work, eat, sleep. I work here, you work here, they work here, we work here. I sleep, I eat, we eat, they eat. Subject అనేది సింగులర్ అయితే verb అనేది ప్లూరల్, సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది సింగులర్ అయితే verb అనేది ప్లూరల్, సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది ప్లూరల్ అయితే verb అనేది సింగులర్. Understand my point? Always it comes opposite. Subject ఎప్పుడైనా he she it singulars, so verb అనేది works, eats, talks అని ప్లూరల్ వస్తాయి. ప్లూరల్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ s యాడ్ అవ్వాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్ మై పాయింట్? సబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది ప్లూరల్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఐ వి యు దే, అప్పుడు verb అనేది సింగులర్, వర్క్, ఈట్, స్లీప్, డ్రింక్ ఇలా వస్తాయి. అండర్స్టాండ్ మై పాయింట్? నౌ వన్ మోర్ పాయింట్, లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ హియర్. సబ్జెక్ట్ వర్బ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీన్స్ how to make a sentence without using tenses. టెన్సెస్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా, టెన్సెస్ యూజ్ చేస్తే జనరల్ గా మనకి ప్రెజెంట్ లో అయితే ఇది, పాస్ట్ లో అయితే ఇది, ఫ్యూచర్ లో అయితే ఇది, రైట్? ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ దేర్, ఐ వాస్ గోయింగ్ దేర్, ఐ విల్ బి గోయింగ్ దేర్, రైట్? ఐ కేమ్ హియర్, ఐ కమ్ దేర్, రైట్? We can use I will go there. We can use lot of sentences by using tenses. If you know tenses, we can use very easily English. But without using tenses, first we have to start with the formation of a sentence. How to frame the sentence without using tenses. Now here three rules are there. First rule is subject plus is, am, are plus adjective. Is, am, are means helping verbs. Adjective rich, cool, smart, these are adjectives, qualities. So here for singulars always we have to use is. He, she, it are naming words, we have to use is. You, we, they, and some plural also we can use are. I always am. Right? Next second one, subject plus have or has plus noun. Always plural, I, we, you, they, plural. So have. He, she, it has. Have and has the same meaning, but he, she, it we have to use has, and singular person also name has. Ambani has a car. Ram has a car. Right? We can use. Subject plus do or does plus action verb. ఇక్కడే కొంచెం మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. హియర్ ఓన్లీ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్. జస్ట్ లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ క్లియర్లీ వన్స్. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ డూ ఆర్ డస్ ప్లస్ యాక్షన్ వర్బ్. సబ్జెక్ట్ సింగులర్ అయితే వర్బ్ ప్లూరల్. ఇఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ సింగులర్, వర్బ్ ఈజ్ ప్లూరల్. ఇఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ప్లూరల్, వర్బ్ ఈజ్ సింగులర్. సబ్జెక్ట్ మొత్తం ఐ, వి, యు, దే, దీస్ ఆర్ ప్లూరల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్. I and you are exceptions, sometimes singular, sometimes plural. But here he, she, it and naming words also singular. Understand my point? So here subject singular, he, she, it aite, verb plural, works, eats, drinks, sleeps, talks, everything. I, we, you, they plural ayindi kada. So here work, eat, drink, these are we have to use. And do and does I said, right? Do and does we have to talk in different type of sentences. Okay, I will let you know about some different sentences also. Again I will let you know about that after this. Now here if we are closing with adjective, question is Ambani rich? Okay, ఇందులో మనం క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే సేమ్. ఇఫ్ adjective is there, is, am, are question. Is Ambani rich? Are you rich? Am I rich? Here ikkada questioning చూడండి. Am I rich? Are you rich? I'm not telling about tenses. If you are going for tenses, that is a different way totally. But here, if you wanna make sentence or questioning, is Ambani rich? Ambani is rich, right? So we have to put the helping verb before. Or a helping verb అనేది ముందుకు పెట్టుకుంటే అదే questioning. If adjective is there, is, am, are question. Adjectives ఏమున్నా rich, cool, qualities ఏమున్నా కూడా is, am, are question లో వస్తాయి. Action verbs ఉంటే do or does question. Understand my point? Action verbs unte. That means do or does. For I, we, you, they do. Do I work there? I do work here, right? Do I work here? This is question. He works here, right? So does he work here? Adjectives unte is, am, are question. Action verbs unte do or does question. For singulars, does. For plural, I, we, you, they do question. Okay, this is very important. If you are going for, okay, these three roles, is, am, are question for adjectives. If adjectives are there, is, am, are question. If you are going for, okay, tenses, that is totally different. Here, do or does question is action verb. Action verb unte do or does question. Starting with do or does question lo. Adjectives ఉంటే మనం ఈజ్ am తో క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ అబౌట్ దిస్ థర్డ్ వన్ విత్ సెంటెన్సెస్. ఓకే, బికాస్ డూ అండ్ డస్ అనేవి పాజిటివ్ సెంటెన్స్ లో వి నో నీడ్ టు యూజ్. ఐ సెడ్ రైట్. హియర్ లెట్ మీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ విత్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ థర్డ్ రూల్. ఐ సెడ్ I do work here equal to I work here. Right? Now here sentences are again 4 types. Sentences. First one I said already 4 types, right? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentences. But here again sentences are 4 types. Positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, negative interrogative, negative interrogative sentence. Right? Positive sentence, I'm a trainer. I'm a trainer. Positive sentence. I'm a trainer is a positive sentence. If you are putting not, I'm not a trainer is negative. I'm not a trainer. Positive sentence ante I'm a trainer is fine. If you are putting not అనేది మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనుకో, I'm not a trainer, నేను ట్రైనర్ కాదు, that is negative. I'm coming, positive. I'm not coming, negative. Questioning, interrogative. చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ. Am I a trainer? This is questioning. Am I a trainer? This is interrogative. Again, negative interrogative ante questioning not పెట్టాలి. You have to put the negative to the interrogative. That is, you have to put not to the question. Interrogative. Am not I. Amn't I means ain't. Ain't I a trainer? Understand my point? In English, we have to use am plus not equal to ain't. Ain't I a trainer? Ain't. Ain't means am not. Should not use amn't. Amn't a trainer? Should not use ain't. Ain't I a trainer? That thing we have to use. Right? So in positive sentences, no need to use do and does. Right? In questioning, we can use. Right? I do work here. I work here. Do I a trainer? We have to use here do I a trainer. I said that only. I work here. I work here. I don't work here. With one more example, let me explain you. Positive sentence. I work here. Negative sentence. I don't work here. Work here. interrogative sentence. Do I work here? Negative interrogative. Don't I work here? This is. Understand my point? Same point we have to use for he also, right? He, I work here, I don't work here. Do I work here? Don't I work here, right? Now, if you are taking in, this is for plurals. I, we, you, they are plurals, right? Now let me explain you singular. He works here. He does not work here. Does he work here? Doesn't he work here? Generally, we do some common mistakes, right? That is, the common mistake is, I don't know English, we don't know English, you don't know English, they don't know English. He, she, it doesn't know English. Understand my point? Regular, common error this is, common mistake we do. I don't know English, sir, he don't know English, sir. She don't know English, sir, we use. But he doesn't know English. Always singulars ఉన్నాయి అంటే మాత్రం does అనేది యూజ్ చేయాలి నెగటివ్ లో. Sir, he doesn't know, right? He doesn't take food, he doesn't come. We have to use he, she, it always does, not do. I, we, you, they, we have to use do, but he, she, it we have to use does, right? I don't know English, we don't know English, they don't know English, you don't know English. But he doesn't know English, she doesn't know English, it doesn't know English. We have to use in this way, right? These are the about subject, verb, object. It has 3 rules, right? And adjectives unte is, am, are questioning. Action verbs unte do or does questioning. In positive sentence, no need to use do and does, right? This is the example for this. Okay, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. And next session, I will let you know about articles. Articles is very, very important topic and interesting topic, right? We have to, I will let you know about articles very deeply, okay? Because it is very interesting and easy topic where we have to use a, where we have to use an, and where we have to use the article, right?